Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why it's so important to delight your customers in your service delivery. Everyone knows that customer service is really important, and in an age when shoppers rely on customer reviews and social proof to make their purchasing decisions, customer service is even more important than ever. On top of that, exceptional customer service is one of the best ways to turn one-time clients into lifelong clients. Let me give you a perfect example. I've been using the same print shop, Direction Printing out of Kitchener, for close to 20 years. And print services are widely available. I could be printing flyers and brochures through any number of service providers, but I've stuck with this print shop for all these years because I love their customer service and I actually look forward to getting their emails. Exceptional customer service comes in a lot of different forms. We're big believers in under-promising and over-delivering. We're also big believers in clear, consistent communication. A lot of this comes down to having excellent processes that allow you to keep track of all of your customers, make sure their needs are being met, and that you're communicating with them on time and on a regular basis. If you run a product-based company, you have even more options for creating great experiences. Free shipping goes a long way, and the other day I made a purchase with such a good post-purchase follow-up that I found myself back on the site making more purchases the very next day. All of this to say that your customer experience is one of the most important things you can focus on as a business owner, and there are some really cool technologies out there that can help you refine it. If you're interested in learning more about that, I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.